Hello, Andre Jones here with the Andre Jones team at Clayton Nash Real Estate. I've been privileged to assist buyers and sellers since 2013 with residential home sales all over the Houston area. I'll put my real estate knowledge and experience to work for you to get you the best price for your new home or the most money for your home if you are selling. I use the most current technology and market analysis in finding you a new home or selling yours. What separates me from the competition, I would say two main things. First, I am very personable. I do make it my priority to get to know my clients on a personal level. I like to get to know their style in both properties, architecture, as well as communication style, and I do want them to feel that they are the only ones I work for and with during that time. And second, I make it fun. So whatever we do, whether you buy or sell or both, it's not going to be boring. One of my biggest challenges, I would say, is aligning expectation with reality. Sometimes it's a process. I approach it with sensitivity and patience. I will hold my client's hand through the whole process from very beginning stages all the way through closing, but I cherish every relationship I get to build with my client and then result in quite often in friendships. Please give me a call, visit my website to get started. It will be a pleasure to serve all of your real estate needs. Thank you.